Located in the Helan Mountains of Ningxia, these rock carvings dating back 3,000 to 10,000 years vividly endure to this day. Carved onto the sandstone by our ancestors, these works depict scenes of social life and ecological landscapes. Viewing these paintings is akin to reading letters from the distant past. The rock carvings illustrate the lives of our ancestors, depicting scenes of humans living in harmony with nature and the flora and fauna that continue to exist today. These carvings reflect humanity's deep reverence for Mother Nature, vividly embodying the well-known Chinese philosophical concept of 天人合一, which emphasizes the harmony between humanity and nature.
天和人首先是一个整体，而且在这个整体之中，天和人之间存在着内在的关联，甚至于他们遵循着某种相通的规则。天人合一的这个观念其实也向我们揭示着中国古人一直试图在天与人的这样一种内在的关联之中，去寻求生命、秩序与价值的这样一种根源和基础。
The Chinese concept of harmony between humanity and nature implies that humans and the cosmos share the same rules and principles. It signifies that human life should align with the laws of nature and emulate nature's ways. The architectural design of round sky and square earth found in some buildings in China is an imitation of the structure of the heavens and the earth. The caisson is a sunken panel placed in the center of the ceiling and is typically found in temples, palaces, and grottos. It is a distinctive architectural decoration in ancient Chinese structures. This caisson is a masterpiece from the Ming Dynasty. It is preserved and classified as a first-class national cultural relic. The design of the caisson follows a circular shape above and a square shape below, aligning with the view of round sky and square earth. Chinese people believe that nothing exists in chaos. Rather, everything adheres to its own intricate set of operating principles. Just as nature unfolds in discernible patterns, so too should humans align themselves with corresponding rules.
比如我们说中国古代非常早就已经确定了24节气，这些都体现着天地万物运行的节奏。而我们人类的基本的生产活动主要是农事活动，其实一直遵循着这样一种节律。另外呢，像我们中国人特有的这些节日，包括春节，包括我们像冬至作为一个节日其实也都体现着对于天地万物的这样一种节奏的一个遵循。
Chinese classical gardens attach great significance to harmonizing humans with natural landscapes. Strolling along the corridors that link the pavilions, visitors step into a living painting where the boundary between reality and art blurs.
Pausing to enjoy a cup of tea in such a picturesque scene is an exquisite and delightful experience.
As a leaf gently descends into the water, it imparts a transformative essence to both the water and in turn the tea. Across centuries, tea has evolved beyond a mere beverage. It has woven itself intricately into the very fabric of Chinese life, embodying the pursuit of harmony between humanity and the natural world. Located in China's Zhejiang province, Anji County is renowned for its white tea, and it is also the birthplace of the core concept of China's pursuit of ecological progress. Lucid waters and lush mountains are invaluable assets. Yuchuan Village used to rely on limestone mining and processing industries to fuel its economy, leading to the destruction of its natural ecological system. Over the past 20 years, the village has transitioned from a stone economy to a green economy. Today, it has become a popular scenic spot. The site of the demolished cement factory has been transformed into a plantation, and a large tract of land has been turned into rapeseed fields and lotus ponds. The concept of lucid waters and lush mountains are invaluable assets has also infused vitality into the environment of the Helan Mountains. 21 years ago, there were about 7,000 barrels in the Helan Mountains. Currently, thanks to ecological restoration, the number has surged to over 40,000. While admiring the rock carvings, one often has the opportunity to observe barrels up close. Nowadays, the Helan Mountains are home to 41 species of the national second-class protected animals, including barrel, and to 12 species of the national first-class protected animals.
The rise or fall of a civilization is closely tied to its relationship with nature. This reflects Chinese perspective on ecology and civilization. To protect the environment, China has set forth goals on carbon dioxide peaking and carbon neutrality, sparing no efforts in this pursuit.
In the process of modernization spanning over 200 years, fewer than 30 countries have achieved industrialization. Today, China, with a population of over 1.4 billion, promotes the construction of an ecological civilization, and its impact is global. China boasts the world's fastest improvement in air quality, the most rapid reduction in energy intensity, and the largest scale production of clean energy equipment. This shows China's unwavering commitment and remarkable achievements in prioritizing the ecology and pursuing green development.
Cherishing nature and embracing the concept of Tianren Heyi is a key element to the prosperity and development of China, a nation with a magnificent civilization spanning over 5,000 years. As we finish this last cup of tea, the story of the harmony between humans and nature will continue to be told.